Hi, this is George Andreas with Victory Pivot. If you're struggling to get out of debt, looking for a way out, and just need a little help to get your life on track, then keep watching as I show you exactly how you can achieve financial freedom with a debt-free guide to a stress-free life. Do you have trouble sleeping at night? Just thinking about all that debt that's mounting and accumulating? Do you find yourself constantly stressing about how you're going to pay those bills? Are you so deep in debt that you feel that you can never get ahead in life? You may even know that you're just one paycheck away from financial disaster. Although instead of doing something about it, you completely ignore the poor financial state you're in and just hope you'll get better. Does this describe you? If the answer is yes, or you feel you're getting to that point, it's time to have a closer look at your personal finances. Personal finance refers to the way you manage, plan, and maintain your financial activities. This includes planning your income, spending, investments, and savings. But in order to gain control of your personal finances, the first big step you need to take is acknowledgement. You have to acknowledge and understand your current financial state and establish a budget. You see, budgeting helps you minimize non-essential spending, paying down your debts, and provides a plan to start saving now. The second big step that you need to take is commitment. You need to be committed. This means being emotionally and psychologically ready to begin to change. To make the necessary adjustments, you need to become dedicated to your financial health. Now, this is a lifelong commitment, and you can start at any time and at any age of your life. Don't dig yourself into a deeper hole. If you've had enough and you're just sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you are ready to start this shift to financial freedom, don't wait until tomorrow. With Victory Pivot's debt-free guide to a stress-free life ebook bundle, you will learn 6 simple steps to stop living paycheck to paycheck. The e-bundle includes a step-by-step guide, tools, tips, and recommendations, case studies, and resource links, so you can apply what you've learned and take action immediately. You're also going to receive a knowledge quiz, a take action worksheet checklist, and bonus resource links. For a limited time, you get all this for just $9.99. That is 50% off the regular price. To take advantage of this amazing deal, go right now to victorypivot.com. Make sure you subscribe first to get your 50% off coupon code to use at checkout and receive your instant downloadable e-bundle. Make the decision today to take back your power and become the boss of your money. On behalf of all of us at Victory Pivot, we wish you all the best on your journey to enhance your life.